Link Buds, truly wireless earbuds from Sony, recently released. This has been an interesting area of development from what I can tell. I've been playing around with earphones, earbuds, headphones for a really long time. And since the advent of noise cancellation, I was always one of these people that sort of rejected the idea of being closed off to the world at all times. I just found it to feel sort of like I was in a fishbowl and wanted a more kind of wide feeling while I listened to music. So you had a variety of different manufacturers implement features for hearing your surroundings while you're listening to the content you want to listen to. And of course, the method that's been most popular up until this point has been to have a microphone feeding a little bit of ambient sound through to you, possibly blocking some of the more annoying sounds. But like, for example, letting speech pass through. Or a honking horn if you happen to be out as a pedestrian or something like this. Well, Sony just took it to a whole different place by putting a giant hole right in the center of the earbud.
Donut style.
Exactly. Much like a donut, letting you hear the actual environment without any amplification of the signal via a microphone. So this is about being connected while still being connected. They do other fancy things like adjust the volume to the environment. So if there's more competing sound, but it's just a really cool design as well.
Yeah, you actually don't touch the earbuds when you control it. You actually touch the, I guess, the front of your ear.
Yeah,
you
which is the coolest thing, I think.
And the sensor is sensing vibrations.
Amazing. Yes, very cool. I'm excited to try these out. I believe we have a box at the back.
We have it right here.
Oh, oh my God. It's right here. Will placed it right here prior to talking about this topic. So I'll be checking these out. I'll do a video on unbox therapy. I want to test them out. They look to be water resistant, have all those other features as well. Curious about how they sound though, because we've seen other companies with bone conduction tech where the headphone actually sits in front of your ear, and they work great in terms of letting you hear your surroundings, but they're not really commensurate with a headphone when it comes to audio quality. So this could be a cool kind of in between. And sure enough, I'll listen to them and we'll find out. They're not cheap though. They're $180. So
yeah,
keep that in mind as well.
I'm just glad that they don't have a crazy title or name for these headphones.
Oh my God,
these earbuds.
Yeah, Sony's so bad at naming, in my opinion.
Yeah, but what do you guys like the name Link Buds?
I like it better.
No, I mean it's better
than MX.
It's like it's linking you to the world and to your content.
Yeah, that's good.
And
nice.
It's linked to your phone. It's a lot of link going on there.
You work for Sony or what?
That's right.